Hi lovelies, good afternoon and good evening from watching us from. This is Christine, your lady on Immaculate Show. Today I'm bringing for you a reason why you should turn on your monetization mode on your profile. Recently we talked about how to earn $25, we earn $10, and even to earn up to $50, without forgetting that every coin matters as far as Facebook is concerned. We talked about the profile and we talked about the page, but one of our fans came up and asked us, how do we really turn on a professional mode on your profile? What is the reason for you? Because this is a major reason why you should turn it on. You want to access monetization. You can be monetized both on you can be monetized on your profile and on your page. So today we're going to dive into this and we see the two clusters. Why should you turn on your profile professional mode? 2, and how can you turn it on? 3, how do you monetize your profile? But before that, I would love to put to your attention that around 2 billion people do use social media, and especially Facebook, on a daily basis. If they use it on a daily basis, what about their productivity as far as in terms of receiving AdSense earning and even other forms of earning on Facebook? A smaller percentage out of 2 billion people that use every day Facebook, it's only the smaller percentage that do access or leverage on making money on Facebook profile and even Facebook page. Even more surprisingly, that most people, those people who use professional mode, it's only 50% of people that have realized the increase of their monetization opportunities. Why do you think it's like this? If you're not using professional mode, you're not going to access any amount of money or any benefits as far as monetization on Facebook is concerned, apart from maybe utilizing the affiliate marketing and even selling of your products on profile. Today I'm going to dive into it, and I say exactly why should you really there is no reason, even I shouldn't say why, there is no reason for you to leave this monetization I call it monetization cross just there, and you don't dive into it and earn this money. When you're talking about earning money on Facebook, we are always tell you that there's money which is free on Facebook, but it is not free. If you don't turn on the professional mode, it will not be free. And also, if you don't work upon you to get money, it will not be free. This is a disclaimer. However much you can be on Facebook, however much you can have enough people who are following you, they can be engaging you, but if you don't follow up the terms and conditions, and even you don't mind about your target, you might not earn this money. Now, you guys, before diving into all this of our first segment of why should you turn it on and how, let me first appreciate all our top fans on Facebook, on YouTube, and on all social media platforms. And in particular on YouTube, I really appreciate special people that have been there, the ones I know and the ones I don't know. As we finish 2024, Merry Christmas in advance. As you watch this video, you know that it was meant to be before you dive into your Christmas holidays. Yeah, here we are. As you know, Immaculate Show, we are into really to show that your hand on this any handset should not go in vain. The hands that you use for scrolling should be scrolling towards money, not away from money, by burning your data for nothing. You guys, let's dive in and see why should you turn on a professional mode. And when you're talking about, if you hear professional mode, what do you think about? One, you should know that if you turn on professional mode, you are allowing money to come into your account, into your life. You're allowing yourself to be thinking about money as far as earning on Facebook is concerned. When you turn on the professional mode, there are 4 things that I'm going to discuss with you that you will be benefiting. The first one, it is monetization features. When you unlock or you turn on your professional mode like that, we're going to see how to turn it on. One, you will be enjoying monetization features like AdSense. You'll be enjoying monetization features like subscription, paid partnership, and even you'll go to the extent of making money through stars. Stars these are gifts. That is the amount of money that is given digital, and it turns into dollars. That's how I can call it. So with professional mode, you can access all these four ways of earning on Facebook. Then the 2 reasons why you should turn on professional mode, you broaden your reach. When we're talking of broadening our reach, we talk about Facebook prioritizes professional accounts for its algorithm, meaning your post will reach more people, because Facebook is there to make money. So when they look at you like you also want to make money, they send it to a wider audience. The 3, you enhance analytics. How do you enhance analytics? Analytics we talk about like for example, how did you perform? How did you go well? What did you do this better? This is all about, it gives you detailed insights on how you performed, on how you post, whether it is a post, whether it is a video, whether it is a reel, even if it is a story, you'll see how you performed. So I encourage you go down, you can even double it in you as far as your audience is concerned. The last but not least of why you should turn on to professional mode is establish a credibility. What do we mean credibility? It means your profile becomes a professional page, making it easier to build your brand again, and even with trust. Because with Facebook, it trusts more in business page than profile page. Now, in the second now that we know the reason why you should turn on our professional mode, we are going to dive in and see exactly how should we do it. And we're going to go together with our screen recording and we see how should we turn it on. Is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. I want you to head over to your Facebook profile. I'm going to do with you. When you go to your Facebook profile, let's go together. Head over to your profile. The moment you touch your profile, you go and click in your profile picture. When you click in your profile picture, it brings another interface. That interface, click on 3 dots. The 3 dots are beside, there is your story, there is your advertise. It depends on your gadget you're using. So I'm illustrating for you from an Android gadget. So you click on those 3 dots that you'll see there. Let's go together. When you click on the 3 dots, you are going to see a profile setting. Profile setting, scroll up. We have edit, we have profile status, we have reactivate, how you can see then review, manage posts, very many. I want you to scroll down. As you scroll down, after search, a word search there, you're going after search and before create another account. You're going to see something called turn on professional mode. If you're not turned on, if it is turned off, it is going to say turn on. So you click. Now mine is turned off because I have already turned on. So what you do, I want you to touch there. The moment you touch, it has a symbol like this, you can see. You turn on a professional mode. When you turn on a professional mode, you are welcome to a business professional profile. So now, I'm not going to turn off, because the moment I turn off, it means my subscription will be lost, and it means I'm going to even lose that money that I've already gotten. So you are going to turn on. I can turn on off because I'm already turned on. So if you finish like this turning on, you follow the steps that are going to continue there. From there, follow the drop box, which it is there. You set up your professional mode depending on instructions. I always encourage people, the moment you're setting up the profession mode, make sure that you set up your profile picture, you talk about your interest, your goals, all these things. You should be putting them there. Then let me go to the third segment and last segment. It's about what to do after turning it on, because we are not going to stop there. We are majorly turning it on profession mode because we want to earn money. Like before, we know that you can earn money. No one should ever tell you that you earn money this, earn money that. If I bring a post and say earn $50 on here on Facebook, doesn't mean that if you turn it on, it will come by itself. No, you have to work for it. You have to set your target as yourself and say, how much do I need from Facebook this month? So the first thing, why should you turn? What should you do? You should do different things. But the first thing is to make sure that you change your mindset and you focus, and you know that I'm going to be making money on Facebook. How should I make it? One, you start posting engaging content consistently. I don't forget to always put that word consistently, because you might put on engaging content and keep quiet. The second one, you can use analytics to improve your post audience engagement. That is the reason when you're on a profile, you are not in position to see how much you earned or how much you did bad. People who have not yet started earning, still you also know how did you perform in your previous post. And this applies to all the platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and YouTube. Your dashboard should show you analytics, especially if you're in a business way. Then you explore monetization features. These monetization features, I told you in the beginning that we have ads and partnership with brands plus subscription. So you start to know, you start to learn more. For you to gain access to them, what should you do? These are the things you should be knowing every day. So now that you've known why you should turn on your professional mode, and you should know how and what to do next, what do you think? Do you think you can go right away and turn on your professional mode? Let me recap for you, and this is special thanks to someone, she knows herself. I'm going to put her comment. This is a video extracted from a comment that was given to one of the beautiful ladies, one that has been has supported Immaculate Show on our previous video, how to turn on. I hope everybody now has learned, or if someone didn't know about it, you've learned from it. You cannot access money if your profile is still is not in a professional settings. Now that you have known this, Facebook profile, you can make it a money-making machine by turning it into profession mode, and even access growth in an active way and professional way so fast. So guys, what do you think? Do you think you can give it a try? If you want to give it a try, by making Facebook your side hustle, make your Facebook get money. And apart from all this, you can use your Facebook by using it in affiliate marketing. You can use your Facebook by using it by making it work for you on an everyday basis, even if you don't benefit from monetization tools on Facebook. Thank you very much. Hope now we are together and we'll see each other when we're earning on Facebook.